Hey YouTube, today I'm going to share with you a very simple and easy chola recipe. It's very easy to make as well as tasty at the same time, and as you know, chola is full of energy, so do try this. So let's get started. Here I'm taking one onion and chopping into medium-sized pieces. And apart from one onion, chopped onion, we are going to take one medium-sized tomato, and we are going to take around 500 to 550 grams of boiled chickpea. I have washed this and then I soaked this chickpea all through night, and then the next day I boiled it and I left some water in the chickpea for the gravy. And for the ingredients, we are going to take salt as per taste and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, and half a teaspoon of chola masala, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. So these are the ingredients you need altogether. And what we are going to do here with tomato is we are going to make a tomato puree, a very instant and quick tomato puree. You can even chop the fresh tomatoes and use, but here I'm using a frozen tomato because of COVID-19 not going outside, so I have frozen a couple of tomatoes in my freezer. And the best thing is that you can easily make a tomato puree out of this. And here I'm going to put this tomato in a bowl, and I'm going to put this bowl in an oven. While freezing the tomato, you can remove the upper part of the tomato, but I kept it. It's your wish. If you do not like, or if you want to remove, you can. And also you can remove the seeds of the tomato if you prefer. Now I'm going to place this bowl in my oven, microwave, and I'm going to let it get microwaved for almost 5 minutes. Now we are going to take a big pan or a utensil, and we will take almost 2 tablespoons of oil. You can take oil as per your requirement. You can use more or less depending on what you need. And then we are going to fry onions in this. We are going to fry the onions till the onions change its color, and in between you can keep sorting out the onions so that they do not stick to the base. Now till the onions are done, our tomato paste is ready, and it will be real hot, so you can wear a glove. And this is how it looks after 5 minutes, and you can easily peel off the tomato cover, you can see. And since it is hot, I'm just peeling off the cover, but if it is, you can set it for 2 to 3 minutes, let it get cold, and you can even squeeze the tomato cover after that. So I'm going to remove the entire tomato cover or skin, and this leftover is the tomato puree. you can simply use a spoon to mix it with the tomato water, or you can also use a hand blender, and it instantly comes out as a very quick instant tomato paste for any kind of dish will be ready by doing this. And some people, they do not like kind of tomato seeds due to health issues or some or the other reason, so you can actually remove these seeds when you are putting in the oven, and like just cut it into 2 pieces and take out the seeds, and you can follow the remaining procedure in the same way. So this is how I prepare an instant tomato paste, or you can say tomato puree, and I use this in my cooking whenever I need. Now you can see our onions are almost done. We don't need to fry too much. Just when the color changes, we can add the tomato puree we prepared in it, and we will cook this for 2 to 3 minutes. Now you can see that the tomato and the onions are well cooked. Now we are going to add up all the ingredients, the masalas which we kept ready in this, and we are going to mix all these ingredients and cook until the sauce, or you can say the tomatoes and onions, start leaving oil. Now you can see that almost our gravy is ready. It's properly cooked, and it started leaving all the oil around the pan, and the masala, everything is perfectly cooked. So now we can add up the chickpea. And always when you are boiling the chickpea, see that you leave some water in the chickpea, that is the boiled water along with it, because we can use that as a gravy. So as you can see, when I'm adding the chickpeas, there is the chickpea water, the boiled water is also there. So this is actually going to make the chola with full of gravy rather than very dried one. Now we are going to leave this for 3 to 4 minutes so that the gravy gets thoroughly into the chickpea and the oil comes out of the gravy. As you can see, it started cooking and oil is coming out of the gravy, so that this is a sign that the chola is done. So guys, our chola is done. As you can see, it's thoroughly cooked, and do try this dish. It's very easy and at the same time very, very tasty, and the best part is it is super healthy, full of energy, and it's kind of dish which you can eat with bhatura, with kulcha, or with naan, or even you can eat it just like that. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you like the dish, please like this channel and do subscribe us and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you so much.